Hello everybody! Welcome to Kumamon Delicious Adventure. I'm MISAKI, a guide of this tour, and he's Kumamon. Nice to meet you. Today we are in Tamana City, Kumamoto Prefecture. This region is known for its strawberries. It is one of the largest farm areas in Japan. Hi Kumamon, do you love strawberries, don't you? Yes, you love them. Today we visit a strawberry farm in Tamana City with Kumamon. Are you ready? Let's go! Excuse me. Wow, it's so warm in here. And the sweet smell is so strong.
Hi Kumamon Misaki-san, I've been looking forward to meeting you. I'm Matsumoto. I am producing strawberries here.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Matsumoto.
Nice to meet you too. I hope you have a great time.
Yeah! Wow, it's really beautiful strawberries. What kind of strawberry is it?
The strawberry is named Yubeni, a product original to the Kumamoto Prefecture. Yubeni has big and red berries, characterized by its balance between sweet and sour. We also have other strawberries, such as Hinoshizuku, various types of strawberry.
So, Yubeni is a strawberry that can be harvested only in Kumamoto? Wow, it looks so juicy and delicious! Hello, Kumamon? You were trying to eat it now, weren't you?
I've kept it for you too. Could you pick the ripe strawberries?
Oh, can we? Yeah! Please let's do it! Alright, let's go!
Take a berry from the branch like this.
Can you do it? Wow! You did great! What do you keep in mind when growing strawberries?
To get people all over the world to eat delicious strawberries from Kumamoto, we are experimenting and devising a lot. After planting, we add organic matter such as compost and use the heat of the sun to disinfect the soil. We also use drip to get rid of pests. In this way, we reduce pesticides and chemical fertilizers. We are trying to produce delicious strawberries that are safe to eat. After harvest, picked strawberries are checked for quality and selected based on size and shape. Finally checked by people's eyes. Then only selected strawberries are packed. It's shipped all over the world. Okay, you got a lot. Let's taste the strawberries.
Really? Yes, please! Alright, let's go! Wow! Freshly picked strawberry! It's so fabulous! Thank you! Well, let me taste. It's so sweet and delicious! I want to eat them all. I'll give it to my friends and family. I became a fan of strawberries. Mr. Matsumoto, would you give a comment?
Kumamoto strawberries are so delicious.
Thank you very much for teaching us so much today. Please come and eat strawberry in Kumamoto. Hello! How did you enjoy the strawberry picking with Kumamon? There are many wonderful attractions in Kumamoto Prefecture. Especially, Mount Aso is famous as a symbol of Kumamoto. Can you see the crater over there? So much smoke, isn't it? Yes, Mount Aso is an active volcano. By the way, I wonder where Kumamon is. Well, never mind. Let's go! Yeah, the grassland of Aso are so large, and it feels so fresh here. and the mountain behind me is called Kometsuka, about 80 meters high. It was formed by an eruption about 3,300 years ago. It has a beautiful shape like an upside-down bowl, and it's a very beautiful sight with Japanese silver grass and greens. Wow! There's a cow to course here, look! What? Wait. I never seen such a cow before. That's Kumamon? Hey! Why are you there? Come on! I was looking for you. I'm relieved to see you fine. Yeah. Well, the livestock industry is also popular in Kumamoto. Oh, you know that? Wow, you are smart. In Aso area, a cow sheep that sled beef, a land species in Japan. Also, Kuroke Wagyu beef are grazing. By the way, Kumamoto has a lot of water resources. There are more than 1,000 fresh springs in various parts of the prefecture. This place called Shirakawa Suigen. It is a famous water source that has been awarded as one of the 100 best waters by the Ministry of Environment. The water at 14 degrees Celsius and comes out at 60 cubic meters per minute. It is the source of the Shirakawa River flowing through the center of Kumamoto City. Surprisingly, you can draw water here and take it home. I'll try it now. It's rather cold, but it tastes soft and refreshing. Also, this is Shirakawa Yoshimichai. A water god named Mitsuhano is enshrined here. Did you enjoy it? Please enjoy sightseeing and eating the delicious food in Kumamoto. By the way, I lost Kumamon again. Where he's going? Well, I'm sure he's fighting for something delicious. Kumamon!